Hi guys, thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to tell you that how I managed to look gorgeous even with a toddler running around. I actually get a lot of facials done from salons, from dermats, but off lately I've started to do organic facial at home. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So let's begin. Any facial actually begins with cleansing. I will do double cleansing, and let's begin with the first step of cleansing, which is the Sapta gel Ayurvedic micellar water. It is actually to remove the makeup and anything which is left on your face.
In the double cleansing, I'm first grabbing the Just Herb Sapta gel. The Sapta gel removes the makeup and anything left on your face carefully. So I'm grabbing a cotton gauze and removing the makeup. And don't forget, the product smells so amazing.
Now comes the second step in the double cleansing, which I will do with the Omorfee tea tree cleansing milk. Why we do double cleansing? It is basically to cleanse even the inch of anything which is left on your face. So what I'll do is I'll basically take two pumps of the Omorfee and I will rub it and I'll carefully place it on my face like this. You have to do it evenly so that it is spread on your face equally.
I'm taking the Omorfee cleansing milk. I'm carefully taking two pumps, rubbing and placing on my face like this evenly. Now work on your face in circular movements, which is upwards and outwards. What it basically does is it helps drain water from your face, and this is the best way to cleanse your face. I would like to cleanse it properly so that I'm sure it's all cleaned up. Make sure that you clean everything, your eyebrows, your ears, etc. I am also grabbing a small cotton bud and clearing and cleaning my eye water line. Once you are sure that everything is cleansed, take muslin cloth or a tissue, wet it with the lukewarm water and remove the cleanser.
Now comes the second step in the facial, which is to exfoliate. We basically use a scrub to exfoliate, basically to get the dry skin and the dead skin out. I would suggest that you should use a mild scrub on your face because you won't know, right, that if your skin gets sensitive, if your skin reacts to something. So I would just say that use a mild scrub. I am using a Lotus Organics Precious Brightening Face Exfoliator. It is this, and now I will exfoliate my skin.
For exfoliation, I have grabbed the Lotus Organic Scrub and I'm using the same circular motion, which is upwards and outwards, to remove the dead skin. Always remember that use a mild scrub and apply mild pressure while exfoliating your skin. And now to remove this, I'm using the same tissue paper and removing the scrub from my face. Make sure you cleanse it properly so that you don't have any little bit of scrub on your face.
Now comes my favorite part, which is massage. Trust me, I just love it. So now you have to carefully look at this step because this involves a lot of techniques. So keep on watching, and I am using the Auli Lifestyle Let It Glow Deep Facial Massage Cream for this.
I am grabbing the Auli Lifestyle Massage Cream to do my favorite step, which is a massage. I have applied the cream on the face as well as neck area, and using gentle pressure, I will start my massage. The first area which I'll cover is the eye. In the eye, the first step which I'm doing is around the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I am gently pressuring the eyebrows and moving from inwards to outwards towards the temple of my head. For the second step, I am concentrating on the under eye area and the puffiness which it creates. So I'm gently moving my fingers from inwards to outwards. While you're moving your fingers from inwards to outwards, make sure you apply a little pressure when you're on the outside. The third which I'm doing is the forehead. Now slightly doing circular motions around the forehead, I am moving it towards the out. So basically, I am using circular motions from inside and going outside and then moving down near the neck. The second area which I'll cover now is the cheek massage. For the cheek massage, I am doing small circle outwards. I'll be doing 6 of them, then small circles inward. So basically small circle outwards and inwards. Next, which I'll do around the cheek area is to define my contour area. What I'll do is I'll use my knuckles. You have to take your knuckles and start massaging around the contour area. This really helps to create a natural contouring. The third area which I'm concentrating is the nose and the mouth. I will start with the mouth area, basically because we have a lot of wrinkles around, or we tend to get a lot of wrinkles around the mouth. I will start from the mouth and move towards the nose. Make sure that you apply a lot of pressure during this step. Now moving towards the nose, I will basically move upwards and outwards to create pressure around the nose. Now if we come to the neck massage, again I will do circular motions upwards and outwards and do 6 of this step for the neck massage. Next comes up the jaw massage. I will again use the knuckling method and try to create a nice jawline which is more natural through my knuckling technique.
Now comes the pack time. I'm using the Just Herbs Instaglow Almond Complexion Mask.
Now it's time to relax a bit and it's time to mask. I'm using the Just Herbs Instaglow Almond Complexion Pack to get the moisture back into my skin. I'll evenly apply this mask with a brush for about 5 to 10 minutes and let it dry.
Now after the mask, I'm using a mist basically on my face to get the hydration back. As the last step after the toning, I'm using the Ilana Brightening Skin Serum, and I'll just take hardly 2 drops of it and apply it on my face. And I will suggest you guys to apply the serum just after the facial. And one more tip, that you shouldn't step out of the home without sunscreen. So this is very important. After all the steps, you can't step out without a sunscreen. So this is how easily an organic facial can be done. I hope you guys like it, and if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a comment below. I hope you really like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.